for an interview or what?
Yes, for an interview.
So you're only 5 days here or
Yes,
only?
yes, 5 days, and and because once I got here, we immediately search for jobs too.
Wow, yeah, right, right.
Yeah,
I think
when
you're
we
lucky.
arrived. Yeah.
I think you're lucky because within 5 days of arriving, you already had that job offer, right?
Yes, because my husband, it took him months.
But he also applied right away when you arrived.
Yes, we both applied because we have three kids.
Yeah,
So
right.
so we needed something to start with.
And your kids, when they arrived, they like you enrolled them right away to school.
My kids, they